Hello everyone, welcome to Techavro. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how to create quick to-do list with ChatGPT. Before starting the video, please subscribe to Techavro. So let's get started. For this, you have to open your ChatGPT. So go to your browser and search for ChatGPT. Open this link. Now, if you want to ask ChatGPT for advice on how to create quick to-do list, then here I'm gonna show you some tips and tricks that can phrase your request to get clear and practical tips. So you just have to follow these tips and tricks. I'm going to show you 5 lists with example prompts. So get ready. Number 1. Be direct and clear. Example: how can I create quick to-do list with ChatGPT? Here is your answer. This simple direct question will prompt ChatGPT to provide you with methods for creating fast and efficient to-do list. Number 2. Ask for a structured approach. Example: can you give me a step-by-step guide on how to create quick to-do list using ChatGPT? Wait for your request. Here it is. If you are looking for a more detailed approach, this phrasing will guide ChatGPT to break down the process into steps. Number 3. Specify your needs. Example: how can I use ChatGPT to create daily to-do lists that help me stay focused and organized? Search your result. Here is your result. By mentioning that you want list focused on staying organized or on productivity, you narrow down the response to tips specifically for those goals. Number 4. Request time-saving tips. Example: what are the quickest ways to create effective to-do list using ChatGPT? Now go for your answer. Here is your answer. If you want a fast process, you can ask for time savings tips or shortcuts for generating to-do list. And the last one, number 5. Ask for examples. Example: can you show me an example of a quick to-do list ChatGPT can help me create? Here is your answer. Asking for examples will help you see how ChatGPT structures a list and make it easier to replicate in your own task. So these prompt variations will help you get practical and tailored advice on using ChatGPT for creating to-do list quickly and effectively. So guys, that's it. You can do this. I think this video is very helpful to you. If it was, then give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching.